Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about how to install Zoom on a Windows computer. So I've got Windows here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into our course website. And so if you don't know how to do this, there is a video that talks all about how to navigate our courses, and I recommend watching that one first. So we've got all logged in here, and right now it takes us to the dashboard so we can see all the courses that we've got under a course overview. And so let's go ahead and click on one of these courses, 3D printing and computer-aided design. And here we can see we've got our syllabus, our instructor bio, and we've also got these Zoom links. And so to test to see if we've got Zoom installed, I'm going to go ahead and click on this window, and this will create a little pop-up. And so a new window will come out which says open Zoom meetings in the dialog shown on your browser. And here I'm going to just try clicking on this launch meeting. And if I have Zoom installed, it'll open up Zoom right away. But you can see I'm clicking on it and nothing's happening, and maybe I'm getting a little frustrated because nothing happens. But all you have to do is, if you don't have your launch, if this button isn't working, that probably just means you don't have your Zoom client installed. And so go kind of down to the bottom and click on right here, just download now. And right away that creates a little download link where it starts installing Zoom, and then we can just click on this right away. And this just installs Zoom right onto our computer. And so just to review, we're going to start by going into our course page. We'll click on the Zoom link so we can join our class directly. That'll take us to a pop-up window, and rather than pressing launch meeting, we'll hit download now. And then after it finishes installing, Zoom will pop right back up. And we can see here, Zoom's happening. It'll first ask us to enter our name. So I'll call myself Mr. Max. And I'm just going to hit join meeting here. And I'm going to go ahead and join without video. And then it'll take me to this page where it says, please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. And as soon as class starts, your teacher will go ahead and admit you right into your class, and then from there you can start learning and start talking about all the amazing things that we're going to talk about here at Build a Robot. Thank you. If you have any questions, please reach out to the link on the screen, and I will see you next time.